I'm the general manager right now, yes.
And what company?
For Northern Choo Choo.
What are you guys doing this week?
We're currently working on the body of the train, which is arguably the hardest portion of it, considering there's a lot of weird geometries kind of stacked up on top of each other. So, yeah, that's what we're into right now.
Any challenges this week?
Yeah, the challenges are basically right now that we have a picture of a train. We kind of know what we're supposed to get at, but the way to get the dimensions for the cars is just kind of adding up the length of the other team's bed plate and going off of that to kind of subtract the length of each box car. And then the front portion of the train is obviously the more difficult one. It's not just a square geometry. It's a bunch of triangles and weird angles added on top of each other. So we put that all together, go off a picture. Trying to find your dimensions off of a picture when you have that many weird geometries is definitely a challenge in and of itself.